Hey guys, Linda here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are playing Overblocks. Why, you ask? Why? Are you asking me why we're playing Overblocks? Well, I'll tell you why. Because it's actually a really fun game. And we're going to choose Chaser. We're red team. Oh my. Well, that was nice. That was nice. That was a good play. Good play. We're gonna use Reaper. Yeah, we're gonna use Reaper. Sure. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright. I'm gonna use Chaser now. Alright, it works. Look at this dude. Wipe yourself off. You know, every single time. It's like I'm the only one playing on my team. Wipe yourself off. You did. This caused me so much headache. I couldn't even believe it. Yes! Yes! How did I die? Bro. Okay, we're gonna die. We're gonna lose badly. I'm gonna use the soldier now. I don't want to though. Fuck. I wish they added Genji. Wow. See, this is why I only use these two. They're basically my favorite characters. This game is actually really fun. I don't know why I never uploaded it for you guys. How is he not? Bro, this is some hacks. I'm done. I'm done! I'm done with this game, bro. What? Bro. My kill. That's my beach. Oh my. Spray him! Don't take candy from a stranger. You dead. What a waste. Bro! That was a one hit! What, bro? This game. I'm dead. This game is so, bro. This game is so freaking fun. Lag. Why lag? Why? Why? Okay. This game is just so freaking fun, bro. Like, it's just so fun. How could you not like this game? So freaking fun, my guy. Let's keep it on a Lolo. We keep it on a Lolo. Hacks. I call fucking hacks. Don't take. I don't know how to curse. There. See, even the chat is lagging. I'm using Reaper. Don't take candy from a stranger. Well, as you can see, we're having technical. Oh, never mind. Yes. Ooh. 17 kills. Wow. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. Yeah. Sorry this video was so short. I didn't have the time to make a new video. I'm hanging out with family, so yeah.